A mixed up song begins with our left hand 2 on F, my right hand thumb on C, and 4 on F. So that's a fourth that we're looking at. Let's take a listen on how this goes. Hold a little longer. Hold it a little longer. Beginning with the right hand, let's start thumb on C and 4 on F, jump. Hold, jump, hold. Same as the beginning, jump, hold. And the last line. To the left hand, 2 on F, jump. This line's empty, let's go straight to here. Now left hand has the melody.